Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OPM services online. Step-by-step guide, step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser. Type OPM services online login into the search bar. Press the enter key to see the search results. Click on the official OPM services online website link. You will be directed to the OPM homepage. Locate the login button on the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be taken to the login screen. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your credentials if necessary. Once you have entered your user ID and password, click the Sign In button. Wait for the system to verify your information. After a moment, you should be logged into your OPM Services online account. If you encounter any issues, review the information you entered. Make sure your internet connection is stable. For any further assistance, refer to the help section on the website. You are now ready to access your OPM Services online account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.